Hiya Maths Essential Skills, exercise 10. We are looking at surds and also a little bit of trigonometry. So x squared plus 6 equals 36 on question 2b there. So subtract 6 from both sides, which will leave x squared equals 30. And then we're going to square root 30. Remember guys, that gives the positive and the negative square root of 30, because negative root 30, if we square that, we get 30. So we need to be writing both answers there. 3b, so a little bit of Pythagoras. So we're working out the hypotenuse in this question. So remember, Pythagoras basically says short side squared plus short side squared equals long side squared, or the sum of the two shorter sides, or the sum of the squares of the two shorter sides equals the square of the hypotenuse. So 5 squared plus 6 squared equals b squared, which is the hypotenuse squared. 25 plus 36 is 61, equals b squared. Because we're looking at the length of the side here, we don't need to consider the negative square root of 61, because we can't get a length of negative root 61. Right, 4a might be annoying one or two of you. So we are asked for the sine of angle A. Okay, so we are not asked to find out the size of angle A. We're asked for the sine of angle A. So sine is the ratio of the opposite side to the hypotenuse. Okay, so this is the sine of angle A. So if we are given this angle, that's the sine, that's the ratio of this side to this side. First of all, where did the square root of 2 come from? Well, quick bit of Pythagoras, that length's root 2. Why have I worked out that that's root 2? Because I'm looking for the ratio between the opposite side and the hypotenuse. So the sine of angle A would be 1 over root 2. Okay. I have also put down the other two trigonometric ratios for this triangle. So I put the cosine of angle A and also the tangent of angle A there. That wasn't asked for. Okay. But just a little bit extra information for you guys. So the cosine of angle A would be the adjacent over the hypotenuse. And the tangent or the tan of angle A would be the opposite divided by the adjacent, which is 1 divided by 1, which is just 1. Okay. So 4b. 4b, essentially the same question. So I've worked out the missing side up here to be the square root of 3. So guys, again, we love a square root attire. I'm not writing down 1.7, whatever it is in here. I'm not writing 1.414 or whatever it turns out to be. I'm just using a surd. Okay, please do the same. And then the cosine of angle B, here's angle B, here's the adjacent side, here's the hypotenuse. So I don't actually need this side at all. So the ratio, the cosine ratio of angle B would be 1 divided by 2, which is 1/2. And sine would be the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse, and the tan of angle B would be the opposite side divided by the adjacent, which would be root 3 over 1, which is just root 3.